Hi, Chris Weitzel here, owner of Chris Seafood here at 1300 Seagrave, Unit 4. Today we got the deep fryer going and we are gonna cook some Dill Pickle Cod. So what we're gonna do to get started is we're gonna use a little bit of Captain Rusty's fish batter, mix it in, and all you're doing is I added about 1.5 cups of water to about 1.5 cups of Uncle Rusty's fish batter. You're just mixing it until there is no lumps. So once you get to there, we're gonna go ahead. We got a nice fillet of some Icelandic cod. I'm gonna put my spice. I love Slap Yo Mama. This stuff is not too hot, adds a bit of spice, but is not that heat that's gonna blow your mind. So I put a generous amount. We mush, mush, mush. We're gonna go ahead. Before that, we're gonna put our egg, which I've already whisked, and I just used 2 eggs. Egg, batter, it's coming up, and for the batter, like I said, we crushed up some Lay's dill pickle chips. Push. We have our deep fryer already going, 340 degrees. It is ready. Drop this in. Put our lid on. Most fish and seafood takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on the thickness, and this loin was a little bit thicker. So we're gonna give that 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. So we've let this Lay's Dill Pickle Crusted Cod sit for about 2 minutes so that we could get that nice crust that we were looking for. Now, oh, look at that, perfectly crunchy, flaky, dill pickle. You gotta try this out. This is absolutely amazing. I'm glad we tried this today. So make sure you come and see us on YouTube channel where we're trying to make all of your meals hook, line, and simple. Come see us at 1300 Seagrave here in Woodstock. I'm Chris from Chris Seafood. Thanks a lot.